What if Blender could catch the problems in your asset before you export, upload, or send it to a client? This is Asset Preflight. Know what's wrong with your asset before leaving Blender. Choose what you want to scan. Selected objects, a collection, or your entire scene. Then pick a workflow preset and run Preflight. In seconds, it checks naming, materials, textures, transforms, geometry, references, hierarchy, and more. Every check is editable. Turn rules on or off, change their severity, set naming patterns and tolerances, or define your own optimization budgets. And Asset Preflight is target aware. Check the same asset for Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot with per target optimization budgets and a compatibility matrix showing blockers and review items. Results are separated into critical, warning, info, pass, and not checked. Open any result to see the exact rule, or jump directly to the problem object. When a problem is genuinely safe to automate, Asset Preflight can apply scale or remove eligible empty material slots, preview the fixed plan, confirm it, and then verify the result with another scan.